All right, welcome to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go, and today it's an unboxing and an assembly of an HF magnetic loop antenna, a QRP antenna, and we're going to mate it with a tripod and see if we can get it assembled and working. That's a big if. Join us. Okay, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for watching. Let's get right to the video. This is going to be an unboxing and hopefully a successful assembly of a QRP magnetic loop antenna, a very inexpensive one that I picked up on Amazon, and they're available on other sites as well. I also picked up just a basic tripod, camera tripod, Campbell Photo. I purchased both of these with my own funds, but I'm going to be adding some Amazon links if you're interested in either one of these. It'll lead you directly to the especially the antenna, the magnetic loop antenna. So let's see what we get. Open the box. I've already opened the box, and first thing that I've noticed is there's no manual in there, so you're gonna have to kind of wing it. So let's see what we get. Get an SMA adapter. Here's your antenna. Coaxial cable, PL259 on both ends, and it's a Hanson RF50 half-inch coaxial cable, and it's dated 2022. So it's been sitting for a little bit. And here is your frequency. Let's see what you get here. Top dial is for your frequency. The bottom dial is for your impedance matching, for your SWRs. This switch here, I've learned from doing a little bit of research, hopefully save you a little bit of time. This switch here with no markings on it is the band switch. Down is for 20 through 10. Switch it up, get you on the 40-meter band. So impedance matching for your SWRs and frequency tuning. It's kind of like a tuner. Dial in when you hear the noise on the frequency rise. Test out your SWRs, and you should hopefully be able to transmit and do. And here is the balun with your BNC. We're going to assemble it. I'm going to tell you right now, I took a look at this coax, and immediately, not very good quality coax. So that is issue number 2. Issue number 1 is no manual and no documentation at all, and this coax, not the best quality, but that could be easily remedied by putting just another jumper in there. So we don't want to immediately rule this out, but right off the bat, this literally fell apart as I took it out of the box. Let's see if I can see the no. All right, so let's just see if we can assemble it step by step, and hopefully it'll save you some time if you pick up one of these, because again, the advantage is that they're very inexpensive. Magnetic loop antennas can be very expensive to pick up, so this one was worth it to experiment and see if it works, if it's a good value. Okay, we have the balun attached to the unit. Again, no markings on it. It's just branded ZFGL. Then you mate your coax, which then goes into your radio. It's BNC because it's assuming QRP power, but if you need to run it to a PL259, here's the piece I was looking for before. Literally just fell apart. Let's continue. Okay, we have the loop opened up. It was coiled up, and as you can see, PL259 goes into the SO239 on both sides, and that's going to be the next step. Let's check it out. Okay, there you go. We have it installed on both ends. I tell you what, this cable is good quality. It appears to be good quality, sturdy. I think they might have skimped out here a little bit on the jumper. I hope that's the case. We'll continue to be objective. Like I said, I purchased this with my own funds. but this might have been an afterthought, because like I said, here's literally taking it out of the box. It's just disintegrated. So that's issue number one, but this seems to be good quality construction. And we have it attached to the balun. Let us open up the tripod. It goes down to the base here, your standard thread. Let's see if we can get that going and mount the loop antenna to the tripod. Okay, I picked up a camera photo. This one is the SAB 265. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, comes in this nice carry case with a shoulder strap, and looks like an adapter here, maybe for your iPhone, Android device. So let's open up and see what's inside for the tripod. Okay, here we go. This is what you get. And we get a user manual. Look at that. Legs. It's good solid construction. And let's assemble. Okay, you loosen here. Crank up like you got a crank up tower. And we're going to mount the antenna to that. Just do a quick assembly. These obviously come out. You have your clips, and you have your legs, and this, so you can move your loop antenna around, change directions. Okay, here we have it assembled. Don't have now that BNC jumper, so we're gonna have to end the video here, but here is the magnetic loop antenna. I will get another cable, and we're gonna start testing this one out, seeing how it works on the HF bands from 20 meters. It's advertised 20 meters down to 40 meters, QRP up to 20 watt output. Perfect for your Zygus, your Yaesus, and a lot of other QRP radios that are quite popular. You can use any camera mount you like. This is the one that I picked up for it. Like I said, very sturdy. But we're gonna have to leave testing for another day, so strictly unboxing and assembly, and we'll live to play another day and test it out and get on the HF bands. HF has been not so good anyway, so in essence it could be considered somewhat of a lucky thing, because the HF bands have been quite poor as of late. But you always got to be prepared for that next big band opening. So there you have it, the very inexpensive QRP 20 watt magnetic loop antenna. I'm going to be including a Amazon affiliated link to the antenna and also the tripod. If you're interested, check the description for additional content on today's video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll catch you on the next video here. Ham Radio on the go. Thanks for watching, everyone, and 7-3.